Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this hairspray using lemongrass and fenugreek seed. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And for those who have been following me, thank you so much for your support. I really do appreciate. In today's video I'm going to be using hot water, and in my bowl I have my fenugreek. I'm using 2 tablespoons of fenugreek, and my lemongrass. I'm going to cut it into tiny pieces. I'm using my scissors at this point to cut it. And the next I'm using is cinnamon. After cutting this, I'm going to wash it with a clean water, and I'll add it to the fenugreek in my bowl. Then I'll add my cinnamon. Cinnamon contains vitamins, protein, and minerals. It prevents hair loss. It contains antioxidant and antimicrobial properties. It improves hair density, length, and growth. It also contains antifungal properties. Also, the fenugreek and lemongrass help to strengthen the hair follicles. It relieves dandruff, prevents hair loss, and also stimulates hair growth. So after cutting it into pieces, I boiled my water and I'm adding hot water. After adding my hot water, I allowed it to sit for 24 hours so that the herbs, the fenugreek and lemongrass, will infuse in the water. Then after that, I use my strainer to strain the water to make sure there's no particles. But after that, I also use my cheesecloth because I noticed some tiny particles. And the total I got from this is 500 ml. Then to preserve it, I use 5 ml of preservative, and with this it can stay in room temperature for at least 2 months. And without adding preservative, you have to put it in the fridge and bring it out whenever you're going to use it. So guys, this is my hairspray. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share my videos, and don't forget to subscribe after watching this video. And please make use of the comment section. I would love to read your comments. If there's any question you have, don't forget to ask. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.